How to turn on or off comments on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off comments on your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there, click on me at the bottom to go to your profile. Once you are there, click on your video. All you need to do now is click on that option which is share beside your comments and scroll over. You're gonna find permission. Click on it, and here you have enable others to save this post, and you have enable others to comment on this post. You can turn off or on this option, which is if you turn off this option, nobody can comment on your posts. So this is it. Don't forget to subscribe and like.